Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone. I am excited to stand before you as we talk about the joys and challenges that come with celebrating the new year. It's a time when we cheer and welcome new beginnings. However, like everything in life, there are both positive and not so positive aspects to this celebration. Let's begin with the good stuff. Celebrating the new year brings lots of happiness. We get to spend time with our family and friends, enjoying delicious food and playing fun games. It's a chance to make new promises to ourselves and set exciting goals for the future. The fireworks and bright decorations make everything look magical, filling our hearts with joy and hope. Now, let's talk about the not-so-good things. Sometimes, the loud noises from fireworks can be scary for our little furry friends and even for some of us. Also, the mess left behind after the celebration can harm our environment. We need to be careful not to create too much pollution and make sure our celebrations don't disturb others who might not be as excited about the noise. So, how can we celebrate the new year in a wise and thoughtful way? One solution is to enjoy quieter celebrations or use noise-canceling headphones to protect our ears. Another idea is to clean up after the party, making sure we leave our surroundings as beautiful as they were before. Also, let's remember to include everyone, ensuring that nobody feels left out during the festivities. In conclusion, the new year is a special time filled with joy, but it's essential to be mindful of our actions. By celebrating in a wise and thoughtful manner, we can spread happiness without causing harm. Let's make this new year a time of not only fun and excitement but also kindness and consideration for everyone and everything around us. Thank you for listening, and have a wonderful and wise New Year celebration.